5 women in custody in connection with brutally beating a 14-year-old girl in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A video has gone viral on social media which shows a group of females beating a 14-year-old girl on December the 30th, 2023 in Havana Heights near Denby in Clarendon. After getting a few slaps, a lady in a pink dress could be seen walking over with an object in her hand and began to give the 14-year-old girl some blows in her head. She was then tossed to the ground, and while on the ground she was kicked by a number of other females. So what really happened? The child's mother shares what she heard.
Like, my daughter went to visit a friend, and when she went, she was sitting on the wall, and she was attacked by 4 adults, saying that one of the lady hold her and said, "Who's your mother?" And she said, "Tan," and said, "You know, long me want to hold your mother." And she held my daughter and she spit in her face.
The girl later ran from her attackers.
A little boy ran her down. He was on a bicycle. He ran her down and hold her and bring her back to the lady in the grey. And the lady held her. And the other girl came with the spatula and beat my daughter.
Now, why was one of the attackers interested in the teenager's mother? Links 007 TV News understands that a love triangle might have fueled the incident, but the 14-year-old is not involved in the romantic relationship. It appears the mother of the 14-year-old girl has a boyfriend. That boyfriend is also in a relationship with another woman. The mother of lover number 2 and the daughter and other family members attacked the 14-year-old girl because they could not reach the 14-year-old girl's mother. As it relates to the child that is now in hospital,
the little girl was unconscious when I went in. Then she kind of woke up. She didn't know who I was. Then she went out for a minute and then she came back in. She said, "Mommy, help me, please don't let me die."
It's left to be seen how the police will carry out this investigation and whether charges will be laid against the females involved.
Stop. Who was like all them are force? Them are force. Stop.
Bing, bing, bing. We watch TV, Jay. Take out the bang and video. Come here. Come in a TV, Jay. You have a camera center now.
Pieces of the clips have been edited based on the graphic nature of the video. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.